Welcome back to Two Legit Reviews, where we check out real products so you don't have to gamble. Today we're looking at something that might just change your bathroom routine forever. This is the GAICOM electric bidet toilet seat. It's got instant warm water, a heated seat, warm air dryer, self-cleaning nozzle, night light, and soft close lid, all for about $200. Just a heads up, product links in this video are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission at zero cost to you. Let's be honest, most of us are still using bathroom technology that hasn't changed in a century. Heated seats, warm water cleansing, air drying, these aren't luxury hotel features anymore. They're available for under $200. So the question is, does the GAICOM actually deliver on that promise? Or is it just another gadget that sounds better than it is? The GAICOM is designed for elongated toilets and comes with everything you need for installation: mounting bracket, hardware, water supply hose, T-valve adapter, and a power cord. No plumber required. The seat itself has a side control panel, which keeps all your settings right at your fingertips without needing a separate remote. This bidet seat is for anyone who wants to upgrade their daily routine without spending $500+ on a Japanese import. If you hate cold toilet seats in winter, if you want to cut down on toilet paper, or if you have mobility issues that make cleaning difficult, an electric bidet seat like this can genuinely improve quality of life. The side panel controls make it accessible without bending or reaching. Let's run through what this thing actually does. The continuous heating system gives you instant warm water. No cold blast, no waiting for a tank to heat up. Water pressure and temperature are both adjustable. The nozzle self-cleans before and after each use. The warm air dryer means you can go easy on the toilet paper. The heated seat has multiple temperature settings, and there's even an ECO mode that drops to low power when not in use. Oh, and there's a built-in night light, which is one of those features you didn't know you needed until you have it. With a 4.4-star rating and 77% of reviewers giving 5 stars, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. People consistently call out the easy installation. Multiple reviewers mentioned under 30 minutes with no plumber needed. The warm water and heated seat get praised across the board, especially for cold mornings. The auto function, which cycles through cleaning and drying in one press, is a standout feature that people really appreciate. And customer service gets high marks for being responsive. Now let's be real about the negatives. The side control panel works, but a couple of reviewers mentioned it could be wider or positioned differently. If you have a tight bathroom layout, it might feel cramped. One reviewer reported the seat sensor being intermittent and the warm water failing after a few weeks, which is worth noting, though this appears to be an isolated case since the vast majority have had no issues. The instruction manual leaves some details out, particularly around the quick connect hose and bracket orientation. And the build quality is solid but not premium. This is a $200 seat, not a $500 one. Reliability is a mixed picture, but in a good way. 77% 5-star reviews and only 6% 1-star is strong. The 1-star complaints all come from a single reviewer, which suggests a lemon rather than a systemic problem. Customer service responded quickly to questions, and the product includes a 6-month after-sales service period. The main caveat is that this product hasn't been on the market long enough for long-term durability data. Most reviews are from early 2026. Installation is straightforward, but there are a few tips that'll save you headaches. First, turn off the water valve and flush the toilet to empty the tank before you start. The mounting bracket pads need to be placed concave side up. The manual doesn't make this clear. You'll need an electrical outlet near the toilet, so factor that in. And if you ever need to disconnect the quick connect water hose, Push the outer ring in to release it. Most people report installation in under 30 minutes. At about $200, the GAICOM sits at the lower end of the electric bidet seat market. For comparison, a TOTU washlet will run you $400 to $800, and even budget brands like Brondell and BioBidet typically cost more. You're getting instant warm water, heated seat, air dryer, night light, and self-cleaning nozzle, features that usually command a higher price. The trade-off is build quality. It's not going to feel like a TOTU, but functionally it covers all the essentials at a price point that makes the upgrade accessible. So is the GAICOM Bidet seat too legit? For the price, yeah, it is. It delivers the core bidet experience, warm water, heated seat, air drying, and hygiene features that genuinely improve your daily routine. It's not the most premium build, and the instruction manual needs work, but at $200 with a responsive customer service team, it's a solid entry point into the bidet world. If you've been thinking about upgrading your bathroom, this is a low-risk way to do it. If this review helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more real product reviews. Got a bidet story? Love it or hate it? Drop a comment. We read every one. Product link is in the description. And remember, it's an affiliate link at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.